Ensuring workplace safety, compliance, and reliability with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello and welcome to this informative session by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we will discuss the importance of workplace safety, statutory compliance, and equipment reliability in modern industries. We will also explore how professional inspection, testing, auditing, and certification services can help organizations reduce risks, prevent accidents, improve operational performance, and comply with legal requirements. Whether you operate a manufacturing plant, warehouse, construction site, power plant, logistics facility, commercial building, or infrastructure project, safety must always remain a top priority. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we provide expert solutions that help organizations create safer workplaces and achieve compliance with applicable regulations and industry standards. Let us begin. Why workplace safety matters? Every organization aims to achieve operational excellence, productivity, and sustainable growth. However, workplace accidents can result in injuries and fatalities, production losses, equipment damage, regulatory penalties, financial losses, reputational damage. A proactive approach to safety helps organizations protect employees, improve equipment reliability, reduce downtime, increase productivity, meet statutory requirements, build trust among customers and stakeholders. Safety is not merely a compliance requirement, it is a strategic business investment. Safety audits. One of the most effective tools for improving workplace safety is a comprehensive safety audit. A safety audit is a systematic examination of workplace conditions, practices, procedures, and management systems. The objective is to identify unsafe conditions, unsafe acts, compliance gaps, potential hazards, opportunities for improvement. During a safety audit, experts evaluate machinery and equipment safety, material handling practices, personal protective equipment usage, emergency preparedness, housekeeping standards, risk assessment processes, permit to work systems, contractor safety management. Now, the benefits of safety audits include accident prevention, improved safety culture, enhanced compliance, reduced operational risks, better employee awareness. At URGS, our experienced professionals conduct detailed audits and provide practical recommendations for control improvement. Electrical safety audits. Electrical systems are critical to industrial operations. Unfortunately, electrical hazards remain one of the leading causes of workplace accidents, fires, and equipment failures. And electrical safety audits help identify overloaded circuits, improper earthing systems, faulty electrical installations, damaged cables, unsafe operating practices, non-compliance with standards. Electrical safety audits typically include distribution panels inspection, transformer assessment, earthing verification, cable management review, production system evaluation, safety interlock inspection, compliance verification. Benefits include reduced electrical accidents, improved reliability, lower maintenance costs, enhanced equipment life, prevention of electrical fires. A periodic electrical safety audit is essential for maintaining safe and efficient operations. Now, thermographic study of electrical panels. Many electrical failures begin with heat. Thermal imaging technology helps detect abnormal temperature variations before equipment fails. A thermography study uses advanced infrared cameras to identify loose electrical connections, overloaded circuits, unbalanced loads, deteriorating components, hot spots in electrical panels. Since thermography are non-contact and non-destructive technique, inspections can often be performed without interrupting operations. Benefits include early fault detection, prevention of breakdowns, reduced downtime, improved reliability, enhanced safety, lower maintenance expenses. Thermography is widely used in manufacturing facilities, power plants, commercial buildings, and process industries. By identifying problems early, organizations can avoid costly failures and improve operational continuity. Then next is fire safety audits. Fire incidents can have devastating consequences for any organization. A fire safety audit evaluates the adequacy and effectiveness of fire prevention and protection measures. The audit typically covers fire detection systems, fire alarm systems, fire extinguishers, hydrant systems, emergency exits, evacuation procedures, fire signage, emergency response preparedness. The objective are to minimize fire risks, improve emergency readiness, protect lives and property, ensure regulatory compliance, strengthen business continuity. Fire safety is not only about equipment, it is also about preparedness, awareness, and effective response planning. Regular fire safety audits help organizations remain vigilant and prepared. Now, testing and certification of lifting tools, takers, cranes, and equipment. Lifting equipment plays a vital role in many industries. However, failure of lifting equipment can lead to severe injuries, fatalities, and property damage. Regular testing and certification are essential to ensure safe operation. Equipment commonly inspected includes cranes, chain pulley blocks, wire rope slings, cycles, hooks, lifting beams, web slings, forklift attachments, hoists. Inspection activities may include visual examination, load testing, dimensional checks, functional testing, NDT where applicable. Certification review. Benefits include improved worker safety, reduced accident risk, regulatory compliance, increased equipment reliability, extended service life, enhanced operational confidence. URGS provides professional testing, inspection, and certification services to help organizations maintain safe lifting operations. Now, why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? Organizations choose URGS because of our commitment to quality, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. Our strengths include experienced technical experts, industry-focused solutions, comprehensive audit methodologies, timely service delivery, practical recommendations, compliance-driven approach. Professional reporting. We serve a wide range of industries including manufacturing, engineering, construction, logistics, warehousing, infrastructure, energy, commercial facilities. Our simple objective is very simple: to help organizations create safer, more compliant, and more efficient workplaces. At last, conclusion and call to action. Thank you for watching this presentation. Safety, compliance, and reliability are essential foundations for sustainable business success. By implementing professional safety audits, electrical safety audits, thermographic studies, fire safety audits, and lifting equipment inspection and certification, organizations can significantly reduce risks and improve operational performance. If your organization is looking for expert engineering, inspection, testing, and compliance services, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is ready to support you. For inquiries, audits, inspections, testing, certifications, or site visits, email us info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please contact through email or WhatsApp for any query. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, your trusted partner for safety, inspection, and compliance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more professional insights on safety, compliance, engineering, inspection, and certification services. Thank you.